Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mr. Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video, I am going to discuss a very important topic of electronics, that is operational amplifier. So guys, related to operational amplifier, what are the topics, what are the points from which you can get the questions in your exam? Let's talk about this thing first. So, like there are different type of amplifiers we consider. As you can see that here I have mentioned the inverting amplifier as well as non-inverting amplifier. So there are great chances that you can expect the questions based on inverting amplifier and the non-inverting amplifier in your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam as well as in the GATE Physics exam. So it should be clear to all of you that how we can identify the given circuit, whether it is belonging to the inverting amplifier or it is same as the non-inverting amplifier. Clear? So as if you are going to look at the circuit diagram, you will be able to observe that in case of inverting amplifier, the input has been provided to the negative terminal, or you can say that the inverting terminal of the op-amp. So this type of circuit where the input has been provided to the inverting terminal and the non-inverting terminal is grounded is known as the inverting amplifier circuit, and the feedback will also be there. So as you can see, feedback has been provided towards the negative terminal side, hence this is amplifier. So this feedback is going to make the circuit as amplifier. Done. Now after this guys, the gain expression for the inverting amplifier, that is, and when we say gain means the voltage gain we are talking about. So gain is output voltage upon input voltage. For the inverting amplifier case, it will be minus RF upon R1. So RF is the feedback resistance here and R1 is the input resistance. It should be clear to all the students. It is very important point, and there are great chances that you can expect the questions based on this point. Also guys, the direction of current, okay, so you can see that we have shown the direction of current there. That will be, like we know, it is the feedback path. Okay, so accordingly you will take, don't worry about that. So feedback path, direction of current we will take, like feedback means what? Feedback means we are providing some part from the output towards the input side. Okay, so that's how you can show the direction as well. Don't worry about this direction. You don't need to mark it or make it as it is. Okay, it's like just you are going to give some part of the output to the input. Okay, now if I'm going to talk about the non-inverting amplifier, so in case of non-inverting amplifier, you can see that the input has been provided towards the non-inverting terminal and the other terminal is grounded, as well as the input resistance is present there and the feedback resistance is there. Done. And feedback resistance, if you will observe, that has already been connected towards the inverting terminal side. Now guys, this is going to remain same, then only you will say it is amplifier. Done. So towards the inverting terminal you will provide the feedback resistance, or feedback path will be connected. Done. Now if I am going to talk about the gain in case of non-inverting amplifier, so it will be equal to 1 plus RF upon R input. R input is equal to R1 in this circuit. Okay, and direction of current in the feedback path you can take accordingly, like it should be from output side to the this input line side, okay, which is going to be connected towards negative terminal. Done. So in negative terminal of op amp is known as inverting terminal, while the we can say positive terminal is known as non-inverting terminal. So guys, I hope that the points which we have discussed in today's video will be clear to all of you. These are very important points, and if there will be any doubt anybody will have, you can let me know about that. We will do the discussion about all those points. Also guys, if you want to attend the more regular live classes by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam preparation, then you can even take the Unacademy Plus subscription for that. And by using and by applying the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, as I have mentioned it here, so you just need to write it as it is. Spelling should be same, no space in between. By writing and by applying this referral code, you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Also guys, you will get so many benefits like weekly quizzes, doubt clearing sessions, mock tests, PDF of important notes, Okay, and the sessions or the classes by all the top educators, their important courses. Okay, so guys, this is how you will be able to do the best preparation for your upcoming CSIR net physics exam in the remaining time. Also, there is one more thing. Let's say if you have missed any of the classes, you will be able to watch the recordings of those classes if they have already been conducted and you have missed them. So it will be possible for you to watch the recordings of those classes and you will be able to cover up those things. In our upcoming videos, we are going to discuss more important topics. So I hope that today's discussion is clear to all of you. And if you are having any doubt anywhere, you can let me know about that. We'll do the discussion about all those points. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video till the end. And guys, these are very important expressions and the circuits. Okay, in the circuit, what are the changes you need to do in the direction of arrows and all that I have already mentioned. You can make those changes as per the direction, like in the feedback path. We just provide the some amount or some part of the output to the input. Clear? So that's how, like if you need to do some changes in the arrows direction, you can do that. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. And if you will have any doubt, you can let me know about that. And every point I have mentioned in this video regarding these topics done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, you can subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon as well. Okay, after clicking on subscribe, and keep on watching all of the videos I have provided you on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam. Thank you everyone.